To easily control your VIRB 360, you just need to pair VIRB 360 with your watch. Turn on VIRB 360. Only 3 buttons to help you to pair your device. Hold the up button on your watch. Select Settings. Select Sensors and Accessories. Select Add New. Select VIRB. Your watch will automatically search for sensor. When it detects the sensor, select Add. Your watch will automatically connect to VIRB 360. Now we are going to show you how to operate VIRB 360 with your watch. Hold up button to find VIRB. Press Start button to start recording. Press it again to stop recording. You may also select Photo or Sleep Camera. Your VIRB 360 will enter sleep mode. Select Wake Camera to access sleep mode. This is how you pair and operate your VIRB 360. Thank you for watching.